In today's video, I am going to teach you how to segregate emails from the list in Activecampaign. When your email list starts to grow, it becomes harder to send the right message to the right people. In Activecampaign, one of the simplest ways to organize contacts inside a list is by creating a segment. A segment is a saved filter. It lets you quickly view or target a specific group of contacts based on conditions like tags or email activity. To begin, look at the left sidebar in your Activecampaign account and click Contacts. From there, select Lists. This takes you to the area where all of your lists are stored, and it is the best place to start when you want to organize contacts without changing the list itself. Next, find the list you want to organize and click the list name. Be sure you choose the correct one, since the segment you create will be saved for this list. Once you are inside the list, go to the search bar. Click in the search bar, and then select Advanced Search. Advanced Search is important because it gives you more control over what you are filtering for, instead of relying on a basic keyword search. Now you will build your filter. Click where it says to select a condition, and choose either tag or email activity, depending on how you want to separate contacts. Tags are helpful when you have labeled contacts based on interests, source, or status. Email activity is useful when you want to filter based on engagement, such as people who have opened or clicked. Take your time here because the condition you pick determines exactly who will appear in your segment. After your conditions are set and you are seeing the contacts you want, go to the top right and click Save as Segment. This saves your filter so you can come back to it later without rebuilding it from scratch. Finally, enter a clear name for your segment and click Save. Use a name that describes the condition you chose so you can recognize it quickly when you are working on campaigns or reviewing your list. And that is all there is to it.